First look. See what it looks like.
Oh, turn lights on, buddy.
Where are they?
Light filter should be activated. Insert card key for power. Oh my goodness. You have to put your key in the slot.
Alright. Just like on a cruise ship.
Oh, that makes sense.
Oh, dude, this place is so nice.
Whoa. This is pretty cool.
Is this? Oh, it's surfboard. That makes sense for us.
It's a separate room.
Dockside and there's dockside and surfside.
Wait, we have another room.
Oh. Look, can you turn lights on for me on the side? Oh gosh, we have the bus stop view.
That's
Alright, we're going to do something a little different. We're going to do a post-stay room tour. We stayed here for 2 nights, and we're going to give you our thoughts on what we thought of the Endless Summers Dockside at Universal Studios. I think overall the room offers great value. It's a really, really huge room. I like the theming. I think the ceilings are so high, probably because we're on the first floor, but first floor is great. Has great access to the dining hall. It's a fitness center for this being a entry-level resort, kind of like a value resort. It has some free weights, some treadmills. I think that's awesome. This was our view. It's right outside the bus stop, and we're really worried about that at first, but we never heard a bus. We didn't hear people. It was no problem at all. Non-issue. Here's our adjoining bedroom that we thought was just awesome. 2 of the boys slept in here and it was great. Have their own TV, own closet. Just great. Double sink. Thought that was great. Oh, one more thing in the bedroom. Here's the in-the-wall safe behind the door in the spare bedroom. And I love these little hooks that people might miss. I think it's very cool that they did that if you want to hang up, hats or masks during these times. It's a good place to do it. Has plenty of outlets. USB-C, USB. Each room, all the lights you can turn on and off individually. Standard bathroom, I'd say. Has a great little kitchenette area, microwave, fridge, little sink. I mean, it was just, we really like that. Even came with some plates, some bowls, some stuff up here. So when we were divvying up dinner, that was great. Something that other places don't usually do is have trash bags in their trash cans, and we thought that was awesome. And they're really huge trash bags for our family who brings a lot of food and gets a lot of food and eats it in the room a lot. It was awesome. We didn't have overflowing trash. Great little dining area, bench, some chairs. Overall, we're really blown away. It was our first time doing anything Universal. We went to CityWalk, checked that out a little bit, and we definitely want to come back and do some more. The only negative or something we didn't like is the Wi-Fi situation. They had Wi-Fi, but it would disconnect. You'd have to reconnect and sign in, and they wanted you to, if you wanted better Wi-Fi to do like VPN work or streaming services, stuff like that, they wanted you to pay. I think it was like $7.95, and I don't know if that was per day or per stay or what that rate was, but didn't really care for that. But everything else has been great. It's a nice room. I think it's tremendous value. Something that we didn't know if we'd like or not is this key card. It's kind of like being on a cruise ship, and it'll pull it out when you're leaving, and it kills all the power, and you put it back in, and everything's just the way you had it. We ended up really liking that because we didn't have to go around turning all the lights off, because all of these lights have individual switches. You know, the room stayed nice and cool. It never got hot in here while we were gone, and I thought that was pretty neat. So anyways, hope you enjoyed this room tour, and you guys should definitely check this out for a great value resort.